Abigail Seldin is the CEO and co-founder of the Seldin Haring-Smith Foundation. Today, she's going to share about this amazing resource called SwiftStudent. SwiftStudent can show students how to write a financial aid appeal letter for free. It's got amazing templates, and Abigail will walk us through a short tutorial. Thank you so much, Abigail, for all the work you are doing across the nation.
I'm pleased to share SwiftStudent with you. So SwiftStudent is a free website that is designed to help students answer this question: how can I request a change to my college financial aid package? So SwiftStudent helps students write a financial aid appeal letter for free. We go through, am I eligible? What documents do I need? How do I write an appeal letter? And how do I submit my letter to the financial aid office? Our site provides both guidance and free templates that students can complete online to help them communicate with their financial aid office. This year, especially during COVID-19, where so many students have had financial reversals in their households and their FAFSAs do not reflect that, financial aid appeal letters will be particularly important for ensuring they get the help that they need to attend college and stay in college. The most popular letter on our site is, how do I ask for more financial aid if my financial situation changes after I fill out the FAFSA? But we also have letters to support students who may have expenses associated with a disability that they need support with, financial aid emergencies, childcare costs, computers or extra supplies needed for school, or for students whose parents are not involved in their lives, how to get a dependency override. SwiftStudent was designed with a large group of leading higher ed organizations, and also through more than 20 focus groups with both students and financial aid officers, as well as college access counselors. So we did about 10 groups with financial aid officers and 10 with students, and a handful of others with college access professionals. For students, SwiftStudent offers a way to start the appeal conversation, clear information about requirements, and customizable template letters. For financial aid officers, they were enthusiastic about the tool during user testing because it provided a free resource to enhance their appeals process, a path to receiving clear aid requests, and easier evaluation. SwiftStudent does not sell or share user information, and it is free both to students and to financial aid offices. So there's no sign-up process. At SwiftStudent, we regularly see colleges post the link to the tool on their financial aid websites and then send us traffic, even if we've never had a relationship with the school before. To help you share the tool with your students, we also have a free poster you can download, a flyer, slides for presentations that you might do on financial aid or FAFSA nights, and a worksheet to help students record their interactions with financial aid offices and keep track of their discussions. SwiftStudent was built with a large group of leading partners in the higher education space. It is funded and organized by the Seldin Haring-Smith Foundation, and its technical backend is provided by FormSwift. NASFA, Higher Learning Advocates, Generation Hope, Achieving the Dream, Student Defense, and a number of other wonderful partners helped build the tool in detail, as well as helped us coordinate focus groups. In addition to the groups listed here, we're proud to have the support of ACT, Reach Higher, as noted here, and the College Promise campaign. So many students don't know, but you can file an appeal at any point in your college journey. So even before you file the FAFSA, to afterwards, to after you start college, really at any point in your journey where you run into a situation where your financial aid package is inadequate, you can ask for more help. As with any financial aid process or any college process, you can apply, and then you have to wait for the school to accept or reject your request. Using SwiftStudent, it's pretty speedy to complete a financial aid appeal letter. So I'll take you through the process pretty quickly. So here, let's click on, how do I ask for more financial aid if my financial situation changes after I fill out the FAFSA? So students will see this page. You may be able to get additional loans or grant if your financial situation changes after you submit the FAFSA. There's a lot of additional guidance on this page, but we find most students just click Create My Document and then go straight to the letter. Students can see all of that other guidance as they fill out the letter too. It's replicated here. And you can see here the process takes about 3 minutes. So you click today's date and you hit Save and Continue, and then it updates on the right. And then students can go through this whole process. Again, it takes another 2 minutes or so to populate their full letter, and then they can download it, and it'll download with a checklist and a worksheet to help them track their information with their conversations with their schools. The tool is free and it's available at formswift.com/swift-student. Again, that's formswift.com/swift-student. Thanks again.